guys, just want to welcome you back for another quick video. And my friend Navasha and I finally are getting back into a swap cycle again, a little slowly. She has to take care of her hand at the moment, so it makes crafting a little bit difficult, but we're trying to find stuff that's easy for her to do. But in any case, her channel on YouTube is at What's Going On 5678, and I will link it down below. And I'm going to show you today what she sent, but I didn't want to do the reveal for her swap until I got hers in the mail, and then I'm not going to show anything about what I made until I know for sure she got my package and had been able to see it. But this was very fun. I was trying to, when we were chatting back and forth, I was trying to think of stuff that might be easy for her hand. And I thought of mixed media. You don't have to get into cutting and doing anything, tremendously difficult, depending on which method of mixed media that you're doing. So I thought it might be kind of an easy project to get her back into the swing of crafting, careful crafting. So, in any case, like I said, this is swap number 7. And again, the challenge was mixed media, and I haven't seen it yet. I took her address, the part of the packaging that had her address, I took that off, but I'm leaving it upside down while I do this little chatty intro. All right, so let's see what Navasha has made. And every time she says she doesn't like what she did, or she thinks what she did is silly or something like that, I know I'm gonna like it. Because she did that with her little Zen dude, and now he's on the wall. So, and I did show in a video, I can't remember which one, but I included the snapshot or picture, showed where he now resides with the other guy. Clyde is his name, on my wall so they can chat. So, oh, love it already. Okay, there's a lot of static going on. Let me move the packaging. So I do apologize. I know that does come through the camera. So depending on where it fell, I may or may not be able to edit that out. But anyway, she said, "Hey Rachel, I hope this little canvas is okay. I tried." Navasha, and yeah, I already know. I'm gonna love it, because I love her beaded stuff. She is really good at doing this stuff. If you haven't seen some of the earlier swaps, I'll link some of those down below as well. I'm thinking I might break those out if I didn't already and make a separate playlist. If it's not already, I will do it after this goes up, and then going forward, I'll link whatever current video that we're doing, whichever project we're swapping, as well as linking the playlist for the previous swaps. So in any case, just a little side note on there. So I'm already digging the color. Love, love, love this color. Okay. All right, here we go, guys. Oh my God. Yeah. I love the snark. Oh, oh, this is perfect. I knew it was gonna be the bomb diggity. Oh my God, I freaking love it. Navasha, this is freaking I love it. Oh, I will try to read it for you guys. Oh my gosh, this is absolute power. This is why people thought my friend and I were drunk when we were reading the Tim Holtz snarky chats at Joanne's. Oh my God, these are just these are absolutely hilarious. Oh my God, I'm sorry. I know I'm losing my crap right now, but oh, okay, okay, all right. Oh my God, my stomach hurts. Okay, let me see if I can read this. Some of you may have already been able to read it while I've been sitting here cracking up. But it says, when people ask me stupid questions, it is my legal obligation to give a sarcastic remark. Oh my God, that is the honest to God truth. Oh, Navasha, I freaking love this. Oh my gosh, I'm hanging this up on the wall too. It's like I have to. And I love, love, love. Let me see if I can put it up here. Lighting is an issue I have to work out in this craft room because it sucks right now, but the little letters down here spell out sarcasm. I think you can see it there. I'll do the magic of editing and see if I can blow it up in the editing when I'm done filming this. But oh my God, what is this one? This one, reality. I love it. Idiot. Oh, this is absolutely, absolutely freaking love this thing. Oh, I love it. Reality, idiot, sarcasm. Oh my God, Navasha, this is freaking awesome. And the color is just absolutely gorgeous. I love it. This is like, this, oh man, this could not be more perfect. This delivers on the mixed media vibe as well as the little extra added something with the snark. I absolutely love it. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this was swap number 7. And before I go off on another laughing bender, I'm going to leave it off here, but I knew Navasha, I knew I was going to love it. So absolutely perfection. Oh my God. Absolutely true statement. Absolutely true statement. We are definitely in sync with that chapter in verse. Okay, I'm gonna go. Thank you guys so much. Like I said, I'm gonna link Navasha's channel down below. And if you've missed some of the prior swaps that we've done, I will go through and link a few. And in the meantime, you guys take care, stay safe, and stay tuned. Once I know Navasha has hers, I will show you what I made. So I will definitely be seeing you in the next video.